Example problem 3 is a bit different than example problems 1 and 2. So example problem 3 reads, a surgeon needs to insert a solid titanium plate on a patient's skull. The manufacturer of the titanium plate claims that there are 2.157 moles of titanium in the titanium plate. The surgeon cannot insert the plate on the patient's skull if it weighs more than 5 grams. Should the surgeon proceed with the operation or not? So we're being told that one plate equals 2.157 moles of titanium. And the operation cannot proceed if one plate weighs more than 5 grams. So the surgeon is not weighing in units of moles. The surgeon is weighing in units of grams. So we need to convert from moles to grams. That way the surgeon can understand whether the operation needs to not proceed or proceed. So rewriting what we know here, 2.157 moles of titanium, and we need to go to grams. This is a one-step conversion since moles is treated as a base unit and grams is treated like something with a prefix. So we draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring moles of titanium down to cancel, and put grams of titanium on the top. In 1 mole of titanium on the periodic table, it's element number 22, there are 47.88 grams for 1 mole of titanium. So moles of titanium cancel, and then we are left in grams of titanium. So in your calculator, you would put 2.157 times 47.88, and that equals 103.277, so 0.28 grams of titanium. So ultimately, the operation should not proceed because this amount of grams of titanium is going to be way more than 5 grams. It's going to be way too heavy on the patient's skull. So the answer is no, it should not proceed. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 3.